car! Stop the car now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Taser! Taser!
Pull me out! Pull me out! Pull me out! Pull me out!
Get out of the car!
Ow! Ow!
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
On June 21, 2025 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, 4 teenagers flee after an officer attempts to pull them over for reckless driving. Unknown to the officer, the teenagers are recording the police chase on their phones for fun and are about to make the worst mistake of their lives.
Get out of the car now! Get out of the car! He's taking up. He's taking off out of the parking lot.
Your incident has been updated.
He went into Wendy's. He went into Wendy's.
Your incident has been updated.
He just hopped the curb.
Your incident has been updated.
Going right onto Monday Mill. Smiley, get up here and pit him.
Incident has been updated.
Tag is AFA. White male, black shirt, black ball cap.
Your incident has been updated.
Going through the light at Thermatin or Monday Mill. Go Smiley Mill. Coming up on Monday Mill Drive.
Move! Get out of the way! Move! Move! Move!
Your incident has been updated.
Move! Go!
Has been updated.
Smiley, I'm behind you.
Yeah, that's the program in here.
Where the f did my earpiece go? Man.
Whatever it is, we're going to be in the number 1 lane, fast lane right now. Units announced to let me know speed lines are passing exit 14 now. They're attempting to hit.
What's your speed? We're around 40, Pit. We're about 70 miles an hour.
Officers carefully evaluate the vehicle's speed as pit maneuvers at freeway speeds are often considered lethal force, similar to using a handgun. Lower speed pits, typically under 35 to 45 mph, are considered less lethal and fall roughly on the same use of force spectrum as deploying a taser.
619, you're clear to spike. 619, clear to spike. Coming up on heavy traffic, guys. Coming up on heavy traffic.
Still in number 1 lane. We're doing about 85 miles an hour.
Coming up on the 1 mile to exit 12. 1 mile to exit 12.
Hey, clear. I'm not
Coming up on exit 12 now.
Coming up on exit 12 right now at about 85 miles an hour. Traffic is medium.
Speeds about 78 coming up on 12. At 12 now. 78 miles per hour at 12 now. Slow down, we got your action. Slow down. Alright guys, I got these spikes. Watch it. Spike, hey. Clear exit 2 lane. He hit spikes.
I'm clear.
Clear. Spike set. Clear. He's still driving on the number 2 lane, going about 80 miles an hour. Number 2 lane, still driving 80 miles per hour. How's it going? That's fast. He cut right. Cut right, so. And the grass, top 12. He's in the left glass, first lane. That's the first lane. Doing about 82 miles an hour.
Get him. Get him. Get him. Hit him. Hit him. 603, if you're good, I can try and pit him.
Negative.
Number two lane, doing about 87 miles an hour.
Number 2 lane, 87 miles per hour.
We're losing tire from the rear right.
Bob's in ready. We got GSP closed by chance.
You lost the tire.
In the number 1 lane, doing about 70.
Clear number 1 lane, lost the tire, doing 70 miles an hour.
Hey, he's about to bail on foot. Y'all watch out. He got a door open.
You want to try to box it?
Number 1 lane, 50 miles an hour. Pitch, pilot, hit. Keep it, keep it, keep it.
Good pit, good pit. He's gonna run on foot. Watch out, watch out.
Stop the car! Stop the car now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Taser! Taser!
Pull me out, pull me out, pull me out, pull me out, pull me out.
Get out of the car!
Ow! Ow!
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Get me out!
Smile, you good? You good? You good? Get him! He's bummed down! Get him back now!
Give me this hand.
Stop resisting! Go ahead, go ahead. I got him.
Move this hand.
You ready? What's your other five?
Hey, put it in park! He must have the car! He must have the car!
Clear the car! Clear the car!
We are 1 mile from the exit east
Hey,
side.
pull your knees in.
I'm trying to.
Pull your knees in now.
1 mile from the exit east side.
Stand up.
We are to the right, past the guardrail, 65.
Give me a car. Hey, Brent, where's your car? Where's your car? Big car.
Hey, clear the car, clear. I got
My camera has jumped off somewhere. Oh, that's right? No, what is that?
No, help tack.
That's somebody's guardian angel.
Confirm location for Megan.
Good. There you go. Put him in.
Sit down, sir.
Edward.
Pull your legs in.
2.
Pull your legs in, sir. Pull them in.
There's a bomb gonna explode. Did you hear me? Huh? Did you hear me? There's a bomb that's gonna explode. Can't stop it. Now? Did you hear me?
Smiley right here. Sit up. Sit up, Mr. Walker.
It's a bomb.
There's no bomb. Step out.
There's a bomb that's gonna go off.
Step out of the car.
There's a bomb fixing to go off.
Not fixing to, but it's going to go. You wanna know where it's at? No.
Where's it at? I went to go look at his car. Only damage was done to the bush guard, yeah.
That's good, man.
There's just a little bit of the front bumper hanging down, but that was one hell of a fit, buddy. Give me a ring, but I ain't gonna make you
Sorry, I was gonna say sorry for. I wasn't trying to be too dangerous. I mean,
That's pretty dangerous, man.
I just didn't want y'all to. I was just trying to drive kind of fast so you wouldn't hit me, because I figured that's how it kind of works.
Oh, you figured wrong, right?
I mean, you waited until my tires got hit. I'm glad no one got hurt.
Huh?
And I'm glad no one got injured.
That we know of yet. We know you hit some people.
I didn't hit. Oh yeah, I did. I did hit a couple cars.
Watch your foot.
What?
Hey, stop. Stop. Stop.
It's very tight.
We will fix it for you, but I swear to God,
No,
if you fight us or anything,
I'm not. I promise you, I'm not.
Stop moving your arms like that.
No, I'm trying to get my.
Hey, sir, step out, please.
This one on my left.
All right, let's go. Go give him any water or anything?
Can I reposition my feet?
Yes.
He wants to go to the hospital, so I need to take him to the hospital right now. All right, we're going to fix these cuffs for you, but you're not going to resist us or you're not going to fight us.
Hey, I'm just gonna let you know, brother. You try to fight it, try to run away, and my dog's gonna bite you this time, okay?
You guys got it.
We always get our people.
I mean, you guys did a little extra, but I deserved it. I can't be mad.
All right, bring me your other hand.
Hey, go ahead and call this.
Okay.
Put it here.
Michael Walker, 43 years old, was charged with felony theft by receiving stolen property. fleeing or attempting to elude police, obstruction of an officer, possession of an open container of alcohol in a motor vehicle, hit and run, and 1 count of aggravated assault. Officers searched the stolen vehicle and found several alcoholic beverages inside, including some that had already been opened and consumed, as well as one that was partially full. The stolen vehicle was towed by Patterson's Auto Service after sustaining minor damage during the pursuit, but its value remained unchanged at $10,000. Michael Walker is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.